You can have chicken nuggets and still reach your fitness goals. Yes, this recipe is sure to satisfy those cravings for crunchy, crispy chicken nuggets. And it's so versatile, so make a big batch of these. You can pair them with rice and veggies, or you can put them in a wrap, or have them in a sandwich. Eating clean can get boring. That's why I think it's important to not necessarily stray away from your meal plan, but to prepare the foods differently than you normally do, giving you that different view on your plate. Fast foods, I think, are not so much about craving calories, but craving that variety. So if you can create that variety in your own kitchen with foods that you're already eating, then you'll be able to stick to the plan and have fun doing it. This recipe makes 4 servings, but it can easily be doubled or tripled for meal prep. Each serving is 5 nuggets, so they're easy to count out, easy for portion control. You don't have to weigh or measure anything. Let's go over the ingredients you'll need. You'll need 1.5 cups of almond flour, 1 pound of ground chicken breast, 1 large egg, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Your directions are super easy. You want to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Place your almond flour in a large, shallow dish. In a large bowl, combine the ground chicken, egg, Italian seasoning, smoked paprika, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Mix well to combine. Scoop out each nugget with a tablespoon or with an ice cream scooper. Then coat each one on all sides with the almond flour. Transfer the nuggets to an oiled sheet pan and spray with a light coating of cooking spray. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 75 degrees Celsius. Here we have it, our chicken nuggets. Just 8 simple ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry. In less than 30 minutes, you can have a complete meal. And keep in mind, these are so versatile. So you can put them in a rice bowl, in a wrap, you can just put them in a Tupperware to go. I like to mix them with some Greek yogurt and some hot sauce, have a little dipping sauce. Use your imagination, the sky is the limit. This recipe is from my new cookbook, Bodybuilder's Meal Prep. This is just one of 64 recipes that you can make and comes with meal plans as well. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to like the video. Until next time, train smart and eat well, y'all.